Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're going to unbox Apple Watch. So some people say it iWatch, and there is nothing called iWatch made by Apple. Sorry for that. Okay, cool. So now we're going to unbox Apple Watch Series 7, right? That's the newest one. It's not cellular, Wi-Fi only version. Okay, so let's open it. Here are some stickers of Apple Watch. Actually there are two boxes. I think one for the band and another for the watch itself. So let's unbox what first. Okay, of course it's the watch. Look. Wow. Okay. Band is this. And then now this is the watch. Let's open it. First pull these out, as everybody know. And then next these. Done. Just open it. It's a pretty hard process. Okay, it's actually easy. Okay, done. Now let's read this. Maybe I don't read this. Look. Okay, so there are the chargers over there. One charger, right? One cable. No adapters. Sad. C type. And what's that? I don't know the Apple Watch thingy charger's name. Okay, cool. Funny. Okay, now the watch itself. I think it comes with power, or I think no, I don't think anything right now. Okay, just open it. The cover is cool. Wow. Oh my. So let's charge it first. Yeah, it's turning on. Wow. Next, what's gonna happen? Okay, it says low battery. Now it's charging. It's what? I'm not gonna set it up now. I'll do it later. Now it's just unboxing. And here we go, our straps. I like straps. We're going with the small one. And this. Wow. Quality peel. Now we should slide it in. There's like a magnetic thingy on it. Look. Oh. Cool. Done. If you press this, I think it slides off. Yeah, it does. And then strap it again. Just don't twist so long, it will get so loose that you could lose your watch. Done. It's stiff. Low battery. Oh my god. We'll charge it. Don't worry. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.